Hello my friends, it's been a long time from my last post on this channel, but I'm back and I'm back with a big project. In the next few episodes, I think in the 4, we will be building the F-16 Block 52 of the Polish Air Force in a special Raven painting. Okay, let's start with a quick review of the kit from Tamiya. But to be honest, what can I say? It's a Tamiya. The parts are sharp and good quality. I've already built one F-16 from them and I know that everything fits together perfectly. The instruction is clear, it shows exactly the next stage of the build. It is made in the old style, black and white, but contains all the necessary information to keep the building process going smoothly. The kit includes weapon parts, a lot of them, and that allow you to create a model in a rich configuration. The plastic is a good quality and the details are very nice. In this kit we get two canopies, transparent and smoky. It is nice that Tamiya has made it possible for us to choose which one we want to use. I do not know what properties the smoke has. In the Polish Air Force we have F-16s with both variants. It will be a huge project, therefore the model will receive many extras. One of them will be the resin and the photo etch parts from Edart. I use Edart accessories in virtually every project. They added character and charm to the finished model. They also allow you to show what is hidden under the shell of the plane. In this build we will also show the content of the tail of this machine, so I decided to get the resin electronic boxes from the Black Dog. Metal pitot tubes and antennas from Master will also be a small but important addition to this build. AGM 158 JASM recently entered the armament of the Polish Air Force, therefore it could not be missing in this model. We will also build a cart for the transport and presentation for all of these weapons. And last but not least, set of masks for painting. This model will be in the special occasional Raven painting. We decided to use masks because they will allow to reproduce the amazing painting much better. So it will be a big, even huge project. Lots of extra elements, lots of aftermarket parts, and unique paint job. I just can't wait to start. I hope you too. Please follow the progress of the construction. Okay, so see you in the part 1. All the best for you, Mike.